some of you will just bring this. Now, most of you, I've seen marching there, and we are going to make it right here. First time, right today. I'm not going to leave if you don't march properly. I will phone my wife, I will come home later, as long as you know how to march. We are not going to march like this, eh? Okay? Are we going to march like this? No! So what I want you to do, posturally, now I like to watch beauty pageants. You know why? If you ever find one of those models modeling like this, they're up like this, eh? And they will walk like this. Is it okay? Have you seen them? So this is how you need to march and keep your posture. Is it okay? Yes, sir. Up like this. Then, when you swing your arms, I'm going to start because we don't have much time. So when you swing your arms, so this will be the position. Is it okay? You can check where my hand is, my arm is going. Not there. You are not going to fight there. There. Shoulder. Remember, not like this. When I get to you, you will be in trouble. I have a rubber hammer. Okay? They call it a mallet. And I will hit you on the elbow in order for you to lock the elbow. So when you march, so this will be the position all the time. You lock your elbow. Is it okay? Yes. You are not going to march. I don't want to see this. Okay. Now for now, you can laugh outside. No laughing. Is it in order? Yes. Now what I will do, you will be in trouble if you are playful outside. So all those that like to make jokes, stop in the church. Is it okay? Yes. Leave it here. The Holy Spirit will deal with your troubles in here. Outside, you will be righteous. Okay? Now, marching and drilling is also a discipline. It's the same as maths that you don't like. Okay? Is it okay? Some of you don't like it. There's a formula that you need to use in order to understand maths. The same who's doing accountancy, nobody in grade 8, 8 and 9. It's the same principle. They divide it into debtors and creditors. You will not put mix the two. And when you get your balance sheet and then you find out, wow, what went wrong, then the application of that formula is incorrect. The same with math. The same with drilling. There's a few things that you need to remember. This is left. It will remain left. It will never be right. And this is right. Never left. So when you march by the left, quick march right. Is it right? No. We will start with your left foot. You will always start with your left foot. Why? Why? Some of you are marching for so many years. Remember by the left, quick. Some of you, this is what you are doing in your club and then nice fun.
Sit
By the left,
in front.
quick, march, left, left. You know that?
Sit.
Because you are not using your left foot. So it will always be left. Now, if you are on a size 9, then shoe. Okay. But the tacky is 10. Okay. In order for my feet to be comfortable. So when I march, and I want you to remember, if you are size 4, size 5, size 6, you are not going to march like this. Okay? So it will be the heel of your left foot must be in line with the toe of your right foot. So I'm not going to march. Remember, I'm a size 9. I'm going to show you outside, and then it will be right. Okay? I'm not going to do that. It's funny. So you will be here all the time. So I march like this. Is it okay? But we will demonstrate. I have two experts with me. Instructor Gordon and Joseph. So they will also assist in this. They are very strict. And I want you to listen to them. We know each other for so many years. And I'm happy for the two of you here. Now, the new Pathfinders, where are they? The 10-year-old, the 11-year-old. Can you sit this side for me?
Oh, the French class.
Right?
French class is there.
The friends, those that are in the French class. Yeah, sit in one
Right in front.
Then those that think that they can march come sit in the second row. Those that can march come sit in the second row.